Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at our new listing here on the sand in Sunset Beach, 16601 South Pacific Avenue. This is the best property in town for sure. Corner lot, 3120 square foot lot. So it's one of the largest lots in Sunset Beach. It's the largest one that's been on the market in the last 6 years. Last one that was on market sold for nearly $12 million. So killer lot, as you can see. The views up here, we're on the third level, master bedroom. The entire third level is dedicated to the master suite. So we'll give you a little bit of tour of this here now, and then we'll show you other levels later. But killer panoramic ocean views. You can see you got Catalina off that way. We've got Palos Verdes off to the north there as Long Beach. You can see the Spruce Goose and the Queen Mary up here. And you'll notice it's a corner lot. So you've got nobody next to you. You never will have anyone next to you, ever. So you got these unobstructed views. These corner lots are coveted. There's only 27 outlets here to the beach on Sunset Beach, and so this is one of them, right? They don't come up very often. Another stat, I'm going to kind of move so you can see south, because the view looking south is awesome as well. You can see here we've got a nice sitting area, so you've got a fireplace. You've got two little beverage fridges, a wet bar. There's a dishwasher up here. We'll show you some other cool things in a minute, but looking south here, again, awesome views everywhere. So in Orange County right now, there's 28 properties either on the market or have sold in the last 12 months with lot sizes beachfront of over 3,000 square feet, 3,000 or higher. This is one of them. The average list price of those 28 properties is $22 million. The average sale price, $12 million. So for those of you that want to have absolutely pristine, beautiful white sand beaches, no boardwalk in front of you, these are the best beaches in Southern California, and this house is listed for $6.5 million. So if you went a couple miles south to Newport, it would be $12 million. So Sunset Beach represents an amazing value for somebody that wants a beautiful oceanfront property. This is 3,800 square feet on the house. You got tons of parking behind it. So there's a courtyard where you can park 4 cars and then two cars on the apron. So you basically always have 6 cars allocated to your parking. So find that down at the beach on a beachfront property for $6.5 million. So real quick, I'm going to show you a couple other things. So we were talking about the wet bar here. You got Miele, you got a coffee maker and a microwave, and then you've got an awesome master suite here. So there's 2 walk-in closets. This one here, it could be his or her, but he was using it as his. Awesome master suite bathroom. So dual sinks, all bamboo flat panel cabinetry. You've got a jetted soaking tub, and then when Wade sort of pans this way, you sit in the jetted soaking tub, and you're looking out at Palos Verdes, the Spruce Goose, the Queen Mary. You're looking at Long Beach. We've got this awesome step-in shower with his and her shower heads. You've got it's plumbed for a rain shower. It's also steam capability, so you can have steamers. There's you've got music piped in there, so speakers set up. So just a really awesome third level master suite. There's so much awesomeness about this house. We're just going to stay here on the master suite for this particular video, but we're going to take it back to the view. So Wade, just kind of let people soak that in. We're going to be here today from 12 to 4. We'll be here Sunday, tomorrow, from 1 to 5. It's daylight savings, so don't forget to set your clock forward. And then come check this house out and make it yours by the summer. Reach out to us anytime. Thanks. Danny Murphy.